My name's Sandy and I live in the Villages, Florida. And I had noticed over like a couple months ago, I had noticed that I had cracks in my some of the cement work had done 7 years ago, and also raising of part of my sidewalk at the breaks. They raised up. So I decided to call 2 foundation companies, and the other one I wasn't very impressed with, Matt, who works for Alpha Foundation. That's the one that I picked. And then the crew came in. It wasn't long. I had to wait to have an appointment. The Kinney crew came in and they fixed all my issues. They told me what they were doing. And then I was very impressed after they were done. They cleaned up too, really nice. And they told me I had a 5-year warranty on the work that they've done. So, you know, if I stay here, I've got the warranty. I have peace of mind now. And I'm just very impressed with the company, Alpha Foundation. Thank you.